Watch the clearance on the back. Easy now. Copy that. Bringing it back slowly.
Bring it down 50 millimeters.
50 millimeters, steady.
We need to adjust it 2 millimeters to the left.
Okay, hold on. The laser is stable now.
Alignment looks good on this segment.
All right, signal the crane operator to lift slowly.
Steady now. Lower it slowly. Watch the sprocket. Clear on the left. Okay, lower it slowly. Alignment looks good on this side. Secure the clamps.
Sensor array 1, green.
Confirmed. Moving to auxiliary power conduit.
check the alignment on bogey 4.
Looks good. We are clear for phase 5 automation.
All cycles passed. Hatches are fully functional.
Confirmed. Automation verified. Automation sequence complete on Unit 001. Prep for transfer to finishing line.
Confirmed. Moving to phase 6. Cycle test complete on hatch 001.
All parameters in green, the mechanism is fully functional.
All harnesses secure on the turret connection point.
Good. Log that as complete.
The hull plating is within tolerance. No microfractures detected.
Confirmed. We are ready for phase 7.
Diagnostics complete on number 001. The hydraulics are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for calibration sequence.
Alternating and optics calibration are proceeded. Zulfiqar MBT, hashtag 0001.
Zulfiqar MBT 001. Automated diagnostic sweep initiated.
Verification complete. All systems operational.
Laser alignment is perfect across the hull.
Verified. Hull number 001 is ready for inspection.
A little more on the lower left. Applying final torque now. Looks good, it's aligned.
Microfinish confirmed on the turret.
Hull looks good. Verified. Tracks and wheels clear. Ready for phase 9.
Hull, turret, tracks, wiring, sensors. All secured.
Ready for phase 9 quality control. Sensor array reports nominal parameters.
Confirmed. Calibration successful on all modules.
Micro adjustment complete. Setting the torque now.
Alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Load at maximum compression. Suspension holding steady.
Readouts verified. Test successful.
Confirmed. Releasing pressure.
Hull measurement is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Microfinish looks good here.
Check the turret bolts.
Slowly raising it now. Blocks are set. Bring it down easy. All secure.
Keep it coming back slowly. Okay, hold it there. Lower it now.
All right, bring it left just a touch. Confirmed, we are aligned for drop. Setting it down now.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.